Travel smart at the airport. 25 essential tips every traveler should know. Have you ever arrived at an airport feeling stressed, worried about missing your flight, losing your luggage, or forgetting an important document? The good news is that smart travel isn't about luck, it's about preparation. In this video, I'll share 25 practical airport tips that can help you save time, avoid common mistakes, reduce stress, and enjoy a smoother travel experience. Whether you're flying for the first time or you're a frequent traveler, these airport hacks can make a huge difference. Let's get started. 1. Check in online before leaving home. Most airlines allow online check-in before departure. This helps you avoid long queues, select your preferred seat, and receive your boarding pass in advance. Always save a screenshot of your boarding pass in case your internet connection becomes unavailable. 2. Arrive early. Unexpected delays can happen at any airport. Security lines, traffic congestion, and check-in queues may take longer than expected. Giving yourself extra time helps ensure a relaxed start to your journey. 3. Keep important documents easily accessible. Always keep your passport, boarding pass, visa documents, hotel reservations, and travel insurance in one easily accessible location. Avoid digging through your luggage every time airport staff ask for documentation. 4. Check airline baggage rules. Before packing, review your airline's baggage policies. Pay attention to cabin baggage limits, checked baggage allowances, weight restrictions, prohibited items. This simple step can help you avoid expensive baggage fees. 5. Use packing cubes. Packing cubes help organize your luggage efficiently. They make it easier to find items quickly, keep clothes organized, and maximize packing space. Many experienced travelers use them on every trip. 6. Follow liquid restrictions. Airport security often limits the amount of liquids you can carry in hand luggage. Pack liquids properly and place them where they can be removed easily during screening. Always check the latest airport security guidelines before departure. 7. Carry essential items in hand luggage. Never place critical items in checked baggage. Keep these with you. Passport, wallet, phone, medication, chargers, power bank, valuables. If your checked bag is delayed, you'll still have everything important. 8. Download offline maps. Before your trip, download maps of your destination. Offline maps can help you navigate immediately after arrival without relying on mobile data or airport Wi-Fi. 9. Bring a portable charger. Your phone is one of your most important travel tools. You may need it for boarding passes, hotel reservations, navigation, communication, payments. A portable charger ensures you stay connected throughout your journey. 10. Wear comfortable clothing. Airport travel often involves long walks, waiting in lines, and extended periods of sitting. Comfortable clothing and shoes can make your travel experience much more pleasant. 11. Prepare for security screening. Before reaching the security checkpoint, remove items that may trigger additional screening. Being prepared helps speed up the process for both you and other travelers. 12. Keep electronics accessible. Security officers may ask you to remove laptops, tablets, or other electronic devices. Pack them where they can be accessed quickly and easily. 13. Carry an empty water bottle. Many airports provide free drinking water stations after security screening. Bringing a reusable bottle helps you stay hydrated while saving money. 14. Monitor flight updates. Flight schedules and gate assignments can change unexpectedly. Keep checking airport screens and airline notifications to stay informed. 15. Use public Wi-Fi carefully. Airport Wi-Fi can be useful, but always be cautious. Avoid accessing sensitive information such as banking accounts or confidential work documents on unsecured networks. 16. Label your luggage. Every suitcase should have a luggage tag with your contact information. This makes it easier for airlines to return misplaced baggage. 17. Take photos of your bags. Before checking your luggage, take a few clear photos. If your bag is delayed or lost, these photos can help airline staff identify it quickly. 18. Pack snacks. Airport food can be expensive, and delays can happen unexpectedly. Travel-friendly snacks can keep you comfortable during long waits. 19. Exchange currency wisely. Airport exchange counters often offer less favorable rates. Whenever possible, compare rates in advance or use travel-friendly banking options. 20. Learn basic information about your destination. Before departure, familiarize yourself with local transportation, emergency contact numbers, hotel address, local currency, basic local phrases. Preparation makes arrival much smoother. 21. Stay alert around your belongings. Busy airports can attract pickpockets and thieves. Never leave valuables unattended, and always keep an eye on your personal belongings. 22. Consider airport lounges. Airport lounges can provide comfortable seating, free food and drinks, charging stations, faster internet access. Many travelers gain access through credit card benefits or day passes. 23. Respect boarding procedures. Wait for your boarding group to be called before approaching the gate. Following instructions helps create a faster and more organized boarding process. 24. Keep backup copies of important documents. Store digital copies of your passport, visa, flight tickets, travel insurance, hotel reservations. Cloud storage and email backups can be extremely useful during emergencies. 25. Stay calm during delays. Flight delays are a normal part of air travel. Stay informed, follow airline updates, and remain patient. A calm approach helps you make better decisions during unexpected situations. Conclusion: traveling through airports doesn't have to be stressful. With proper preparation, smart packing, organized documents, and awareness of common travel mistakes, you can enjoy a much smoother journey from departure to arrival. Which airport travel tip do you think is the most useful? Share your favorite travel hack in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow travelers. Thank you for watching, and I wish you safe, comfortable, and stress-free travels on your next adventure.